I did to show you guys how to do different types of flowers and make a bouquet from start to finish the next few days as a Valentine's Day gift or as Valentine's Day decor. So today our tutorial will be how to make a tulip. Now I will say I did not have floral wire. You can get floral wire from Dollar Tree, so my leaf is flimsy, okay? But when you see this tutorial at the end to make the leaf, make sure the last row of single crochet you incorporate your flower wire so that your leaf can stand up on its own. Okay, I'm gonna go to Dollar Tree tomorrow and get some. I'll redo a tutorial on how to do this leaf. I didn't do the last row of single crochet, so I'll do that part of the tutorial. But this is how my tulip came out. All right, so today is the tulip. I've already done a rose tutorial for you guys, but I'll make another rose tutorial, a different way to make a rose. Let me see on my calendar what flower I have tomorrow to make for you guys. Tomorrow is the daisy, so tomorrow we'll be making daisies, but today is the tulip. So if you guys want to learn, stay tuned. When I say start to finish, I mean making the flowers, constructing the flowers, and telling you guys what supplies to get from Dollar Tree to make your actual bouquet, wrapping your paper, folding your paper to make it look like a beautiful bouquet. We're also going to make sorry guys, we're also going to make a little bumblebee if you want to add that into your bouquet too. Last year I had made a daisy bouquet with a bumblebee for one of my giveaway winners. So yeah, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do that. Let's get into it for real. Okay, so first thing you're going to do is make a magic ring. All of my beginner crocheters, please go to my crochet one-on-one playlist and learn all 4 basic beginner stitches in order to start doing my tutorials. All right, so we're going to make a magic ring and we're going to do it the beginner way. So what we're going to do is we're going to chain 4 and then we're going to slip stitch into this very first stitch. Please don't mind me, you guys, because I am doing this through the camera. All right, and then we're just going to go ahead into our ring and make 6 single crochet. So we're going to go in our ring and make 6 single crochet. For the purpose of the video, I'm not going to do each stitch for the video, but I'm just going to tell you, I'm going to walk you through on how to do it. Okay, so I've done my 6 single crochet into my ring. Pull your tail, and then we're going to slip stitch into this very the top of the chain, well, the chain 1. After we slip stitch, we're going to chain 1, and now we're going to do an increase. So we're going to do 2 single crochet in each stitch. Every time you chain 1, you put 1 single crochet in that same stitch, and then you put you go on to do 2 single crochets in each stitch. Now I'm working with 4-weight yarn. With this small needle, it's a little hard to not split the yarn. So just keep that in mind. At the end of this row, you should count 12 stitches going around, and then again we're going to slip stitch into our very first stitch and chain 1 again. I got some hair stuck in this, but it's all right, whatever. All right, so then now we're going to do an increase. So our increase is going to go 1 2 1 2. So I'm going to put a single crochet where I chained 1, and then the next stitch I'm going to put 1 single crochet, and the next stitch I'm going to put 2 single crochet. I'm going to pull this hair out. 2. So remember, the pattern is 1 2 1 2. So next we're going to do 2 single crochets and then an increase. So 1 single crochet into the first stitch, 1 single crochet into the second stitch, and then 2 single crochet in the 3rd stitch. Again, the pattern is 1 1 2. Okay, so I've slip stitched, I'm chaining 1. Next is 3 single crochet into and then 2 single crochet. So the pattern is 1 1 1 2. So 1 single crochet in the 1st stitch, 1 single crochet in the 2nd stitch, 1 single crochet in the 3rd stitch, and in the 4th stitch we're doing 2 single crochet in the same stitch. Again, the pattern is 1 1 1 2. Okay, so now for round 6 through 15, all you're going to do is put 1 single crochet in each stitch, okay? So again, for the next rows, 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So the next 10 rows, do 1 single crochet in each stitch. Okay, so I am working on row 11 right now. I just wanted to show you guys the process so far. Okay, so I've made it to my row 16. What you're going to do is you're going to chain one, and then you're going to cut your yarn, but leave a long tail because we do need to sew our tulip flower together. Okay, now you're going to get your stuffing. So I'm going to get some cotton. I'm just going to use the nearest thing to me. All right, and I'm just going to start stuffing my tulip. Okay, I think that's good enough. Now I'm going to get my sewing needle, which I need to find it. I can never find it, y'all. Okay, so we're going to thread our needle, and we're going to fold our tulip in half, like so. And then we're going to sew the middle together. So we're just going to go directly to the other side, like so. And I'm just going to go back through the front to the back again, just to add extra security. Then we're going to flip our tulip, and we're going to fold this half together and sew it together from the front to the back, or from the back from the front, whichever is comfortable for you. And I'm going to go again. Okay. And your tulip flower is complete. Now I'm going to show you guys how to do the stem and how to do the leaves. I'm going to go through one more time just for my liking, and then I'm going to tie in a knot. And then I like to hide my yarn by going just straight through, getting my scissors, tugging a little bit, cut, and it has disappeared. Now my tulip flower is complete. Okay, so I have my yarn color of choice for my leaves and my stem. So we're going to work on the stem. I do suggest floral wire for the stem and the leaves. I don't have floral wire, so I'm going to use a cake dowel. A cake dowel is good for the stem, but for the leaves you will need to have floral wire. When I show you guys the leaves, I'm not going to have floral wire. I'm sorry. But let's get into it. Okay, so I have my hot glue gun, and basically all we're doing is putting the glue onto our cake dowel, and we are just wrapping our green yarn around our cake dowel. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put some right here at the top. And this might get look messy, but it's not going to be messy, okay? So it's best to get floral wire for the stem and especially for the leaves, but I don't have any floral wire, so I have a cake dowel for the stem, okay? So what I did was I just inserted the cake dowel on the bottom of my tulip with some hot glue to make sure that it stays, okay? And then I'm going to get some hot glue and I'm just going to put it on my wooden stick and I'm going to just wrap my yarn around it, okay? So make sure this part you take your time and you wrap it neatly because we want it to look neat, especially if we're making it as a gift for someone, okay? So I'm just going to start as high as I can and I'm going to start wrapping my yarn. Sorry for shaking the camera, y'all. I'm going to start wrapping my yarn around my cake dower, really nice and neat. Okay, so I'm halfway done with doing my stem.